It's me again. It's Vlogmas day 14. I've just got home from work. It's Friday afternoon. Woohoo! So I'm just about to celebrate.
Friday?
Yeah. Why?
Oh, so everyone's going to be home tomorrow.
Yeah. Why? Are you home tomorrow?
Yeah, I was just going to have a peaceful, quiet day.
We're going shopping anyway.
No, we're probably not.
It's going to rain all day tomorrow, so I don't want.
Where do you want to go shopping?
They want to. I was going to go to Port, but I don't think it's worth going because I was going to take you on the beach and it's going to rain. So
it's fun on the beach when it rains. I'm going riding.
No, you're going to do the cat litter and the bins.
I'm getting ready.
You're doing.
Please say to get dressed.
Make her do the cat litter and bins before she goes riding because it's not being done. That cat litter hasn't been done for 3 days now, since Wednesday. She comes in from doing Rolly and then she sits on the computer and nothing gets done.
I haven't been on the computer for like months now.
Oh please, you were on it yesterday! Yesterday!
Taking videos.
Don't shout at me.
No!
This is what I have to put up with.
She's the evil child. She's the evil child.
So, to celebrate Friday, I'm going to do some washing and a bit of cleaning.
Yeah.
Not sure if we're going to Port tomorrow because it's supposed to throw it down all week.
It was supposed to throw down today as well, but no.
No, well,
it was literally 80% chance of rain right now.
It was so windy. I was going to show you, got a whole heap of mail today, but most of it's Christmas presents for the kids and they've been watching the vlog, so I just have a feeling they're going to see everything. But I will show you what I bought from Bed Bath and Table. Let me get you somewhere where there's light. I'll go in my craft room, put the lights on. Because I had 50% off everything today, so I thought I'd get in early. I honestly didn't need anything. Well, really, do we ever need anything? Yeah, there was nothing I specifically needed, but I thought for 50% off, I just wanted to get a few extra little things for my vignettes for next year. So the first two little things I bought were these little reindeers. I do already have these on my little woodland vignette, but I just needed to get a couple more for when I decorate the big galvanized tray, because that's quite big and it's going to need quite a few decorations to fill it up. So these were originally $10 each, which is freaking ridiculous. And I mean, they've come down to $4.90, well, basically $5 each. And even that's really ridiculous when you think how little they are. There's no way in hell I'd pay $10 each for these two. That's crazy. But yes, I got those two. The next two little creatures I got also for my little woodland vignette trays was this little squirrel here. He is so cute. How cute is that? He was originally $10 as well. Like, are you seriously going to pay $10 for that? That is so expensive to me. So he came down to $5, which was already expensive enough. And then this little owl guy, he was originally $8.95, so $9, and he came down to $4.50. So I thought he was pretty cute. The next little thing I bought was this wooden rocking horse. He was originally $10 as well, so he came down to $5. The next little thing I bought, or two little things I'll show you so it doesn't take so long. I got this little Santa ornament here. Again, he's for my vignette. He was originally $7.95, so he came down to $4. And this little carousel, that was originally $8.95, so again, $4.50. Last couple of things I got was this little rustic looking star. It's like a metal star. And then this little wooden Christmas tree, like both Christmas tree ornaments, but I'll just be using them in my tiered trays. So this was originally $5.95 for that one. Half price was $3. And then this one was originally $2.95, so half price $1.50, I guess. So that's those two. And the last little thing I got, this little set of 3 Christmas trees. You see there off the glare. So I thought these would actually go nice with my red and white themed little tiered trays. And they were originally $20 like for 3 tiny trees. But yeah, I got them for $9. I actually thought it was going to be 50% off the $9, to be honest. If I would have known they were $10 before going to the checkout, I probably would have left it. But yeah, I thought they were going to come down to $4.50, but anyway. So that was my little bed, bath and table haul for today. I wanted to show you a heap of my parcels, but most of them are for Jessie. So I know she's going to watch. This I can probably show you because I think this is just a phone cover, like for my phone. And to match my new planner, Filofax Malden, the new one I got. I just got this off eBay, which I thought is quite nice, and it sort of matches the colour. It's a little bit darker, but it's a like a phone wallet. It's got a mirror, and then it's got another little enclosure inside where you can put all your cards and everything. And I really like the little detailing on the front and the inside. And it's a snap enclosure. It also comes with a little hand strap, and I've got the exact one of these in purple. I actually bought it to match my purple Malden, but now that I'm going into my stone Malden, I thought this would actually go really nice. So it's the exact same one, and this is just ideal because whenever I go out to lunch or I'm just going down to the shops, I just put my phone in there, put a couple of my essential cards in there, and that's all I take. And it's just really, it's just nice and compact, and I love the color and I love the design on the front. And that was from eBay for, I think it was about $12 or something like that. Now we have like little pop-up stores in the shopping centers that sell like mobile phone covers and all that sort of thing, and you can pretty much get the exact same ones there, and they're like $30 odd or more. So definitely check out eBay or AliExpress for anything like that. So yeah, that's the couple of little things I've bought today. So how much was this other car?
Well, you tell me what's cheap.
No, I don't want to know what's cheap. I just want to know how much the car is costing us. Oh my God, see, now when you're saying stuff like that, it means it's going to be expensive.
I don't know what's more expensive.
Well,
yeah.
You tell me how much it was and I'll tell you if it's expensive. If it's more than $2 grand, it's expensive.
Oh, fuck, it's expensive, man.
Well, where do you I mean, freaking hell, it's Christmas time. This is when we've bloody got to be tight with money.
And you're throwing around like there's no tomorrow.
Hey, it was 50% off bed, bath and table. That was a bargain.
Well, it's half price off the car.
Half price. How much was it? See, but because you keep stalling to tell me, this is why it makes me think it was a lot more.
Well, what was a lot more?
Oh my God, now I'm getting really scared.
Annoying me.
Well,
You're annoying me.
I'm not annoying you, I'm just talking sense.
I don't want to hear sense.
How much was the damn car? How much was the car?
Well, it's only 10,000.
Well, if you sell the Hummer, the little car, and the Feroza, then I'll be happy. And the 2 utes.
Well, the 2 utes are going, the little car's going. The Hummer, yeah, I think we should.
Get rid of them, then I'll actually feel better because we've got less bloody crap all hanging around the house.
Well, I want to sell the ute. Okay, I've got to get my finger out.
You do.
I've been working on the freaking property, that's the problem.
Yeah, no, you've been working on buying other cars, that's the problem.
No,
what you need to do is work on selling the cars, and then once you've got the money for all those cars, then you can go, oh, let's go shopping for a car. Not let's buy as many cars as we can find and then work out what we do with them afterwards. Because you know I'm making sense. There, I'll film you making dinner.
Put some baking paper. How many slices are you having of the garlic bread? I've never seen it like this. I didn't expect it to be like this.
I thought it was a roll. She is.
Have you got the sexy shorts on for the vlog?
Yeah.
Do you reckon that's going to get me more views?
Bitches can like it, yeah.
Oh wow, that's funky garlic bread.
Yeah, well that's what I said to you.
That's good. I like it.
I've never seen it. It was on special, and I just bought it. I thought it was actually normal garlic bread.
You can leave the vacuum there. Oh, you are.
I don't think she was paying to do anything with it.
No.
Like natural.
That's it. Well, I'm catching all
Look
that.
happy.
Pretend you're happy. Pretend we're a happy family.
The family talk. Are you serious? I can't watch my TV while I'm eating.
No, we're supposed to be talking and just pretend for the camera, please. Like, act natural and pretend you're funny and shit. Don't look miserable! Oh, see? That's God punishing you.
No, I'm not punishing. My punishment is living with you, vlogging freak. I can't even watch TV now.
Alright guys, I have no idea what my head looks like. I've just been cleaning and sweating and I don't even know what I've got as far as editing to put this vlog together for you, but we're going to do the advent calendar. I'm going to get a good night's sleep and hopefully get something a bit more decent for you guys tomorrow. So let's do the advent calendar. 14th today. Geez, there's not many left. Oh, here we go. There we go. Love nature. Pick up litter on a walk in your favourite wild spot. Well, that's usually Jessie's room, so let's see what we got today. Oh, something decent. What do we got here? British Rose Exfoliating Gel Body Scrub. Oh, that's very fancy. Wait. Oh, it actually works, that. So, yeah, that's a really fancy one. Let's smell it. Oh, geez. Have a look. Can you see? It's like it is a gel scrub. Oh, that smells really nice. Oh, wow. I love that. I'll definitely use that. So that's the British Rose Exfoliating Gel Body Scrub. That is delicious. Oh, Jesus. I really do look worse for wear, don't I? Oh, Christ. Oh, well. Yeah, I'm tired. My eyes are sticky. I'm tired. I'm sweaty. I'm hot. It's sticky. So I'm going to leave it here, guys. I will sign off and I will see you guys tomorrow and promise I'll have something a little bit better. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching.